Hope you all are staying safe, happy and healthy. Today's video is sponsored by Zora Supermat, Berlin. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with our recipe. While this is getting cooked, let us talk a little bit about our sponsor, Zora Supermarket. Zora is one of the best and biggest Indian grocery shop based out in Berlin. They also have their online store where shopping Indian grocery is such an easy experience. The website is very carefully designed and planned so that you can get to your required product super fast. At any point, if you get stuck or have any questions, just reach out to their super friendly customer support via the following channels. They excel at customer satisfaction. Oh, by the way, there is more good news. If you are shopping over 30 euros, use the promo code tbsp10 during your checkout. You will get an instant discount of 10%. That's just a little gift from our side to you all. All the details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you read it. Now let's get back to our butter paneer. I hope you like the recipe. Please do give it a try. And now let me try. It's too good. It is awesome. Do give it a try. Just too good. Thanks to Zora Supermarket for sponsoring this video. Do visit them today and avail the discount. All the details are given in the description box below. And please keep watching our videos and do not forget to subscribe, like and comment and share.